This is QuickTime Technology, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a video to your YouTube channel in the correct way. So the first thing you have to do is know what video you will upload so you can then take the video that upload it to YouTube. So we click on the upload button from here, and then we can actually drag and drop the video onto YouTube, or we can say select files to upload and then choose the file you would like to upload. So ScreenFlow test is the file that I will be uploading. Choose that and then watch your video upload. So I recorded this video earlier just to check ScreenFlow, and now I will actually put this video on private because I don't want this to be shown to anyone. It's just a test. So you would then give your video a suitable title and then a description. In my description, I will just say, this video is a test for YouTube. And then tag it up with a relevant tag such as video, upload, YouTube, and then you have the ability to customize with thumbnails, add it to a playlist, and that will be a video itself of how to add videos to a playlist, how to add a custom thumbnail. Once the video has been uploaded, you can go to done. So I click that. Video is now ready at this URL. Go to your Creator Studio and then go to Video Manager, and the video itself has been uploaded. So let's just click this video, click it again, and we can see that the video is now ready to be viewed in 1080p. Okay, minimize this. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for now.